Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Athar?
I'm well, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So today, last time we did lesson 9, the second part, the B part, and alhamdulillah we covered, we read this page 65, and we identified the different forms of fragment on this page and on the next page, 66 page. But we were here, we didn't do the exercise. We didn't do the exercise in that session. So today, inshallah, we are going to do this exercise. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So can you translate this sentence? At-tabibul jadidu.
um,
At-tabibu is?
Doctor.
Yeah, tabibu is doctor. Al-jadidu is?
New.
Yeah, the new.
The new
Al,
doctor.
yeah, new doctor. And can you see a fragment?
Can
you see a fragment here?
It's Mawsuf Sifa.
Yes, very good. So this is Mawsuf Sifa. And then At-tabibul jadidu fil mustashfa. Fi means?
In
Al-mustashfa?
the hospital.
Yes, in the hospital. In
And
the hospital. So, and
the doctor.
Al-qadimu, old.
And the old doctor is in the hospital.
Yes, the old doctor is in a film. Mustasafi is a small hospital or a clinic. In the clinic. Okay. So, and when do you put is? When there is a break in the chain. At-tabibul jadidu is one fragment. So you cannot put is in between at-tabibu and jadidu. Okay. So this is one fragment. And then the next fragment is what?
The talibul qadimu.
Yes, but before that, what about this one? This one.
Jar Majroor.
Yes, Jar Majroor. And At-tabibu qadimu, At-tabibu bul qadimu. Again,
Mawsuf Sifa.
Mawsuf Sifa. And fil mustasafi?
Jar Majroor.
Jar Majroor. So is would come in between fragment. The new doctor is in the hospital. Okay. So is we can put over here in between the fragment is. Okay. Is. So the new doctor is in the hospital and the old doctor is in the clinic. Okay. So when we do translation, when we put, where do we put is? In between fragments, right? So the new doctor is in the hospital and the old doctor is in the clinic, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. Actually, let me clear this and then go to the next one. Okay. Okay. Al-qalamul maksuru. Al-qalamul maksuru alal maktabi. So Identify the fragment. Al-qalamu means, okay, let's first see what are these things. What do these words mean?
Al-qalam is a pen, right?
Yes, pen.
And
You're
a
right.
broken pen?
Yes, very good. Pen. And al-maksuru is
Broken.
broken. Very good. So al-qalamul maksuru is what type? Is it a fragment?
Yeah.
So
The geometry?
al-qalamu is ism and maksuru is also ism but sifa.
No. Oh, I thought you were talking about ala
Next,
al-maktabi.
oh, okay. Yes, alal maktabi is, yes, you are right. Alal maktabi is jar majroor. So can you translate it? Alal maktabi means on
the desk.
Yes. So can you translate it?
The broken pen is on the desk.
Very good. Excellent. The broken pen is on the desk. And now this one. Al-mirwahatul jadidatu fil ghurfatil kabirati. Mirwahatu, fan. Okay. Mirwahatu means fan. And jadidatu, you know. Okay. And ghurfati is a room. Kabirati means big.
So
okay.
The new fan is in the big room.
Big room. Excellent. Now identify the different fragments. Mirwahatu. Al-mirwahatu.
That is Sifa.
Yes, Mawsuf Sifa.
And
let me change the color. Yes, Mawsuf Sifa. This is Mawsuf Sifa. And then
al-ghurfa al-kabirata
is also Mawsuf Sifa. Okay, is also Mawsuf Sifa. Any other fragment? Fil ghurfati. Yes, this is fil ghurfati is jar majroor. Yeah. So you already translated it. The new fan is in the big room. Okay, so fi is harfjar, al-ghurfati is jar, ism majroor, and again it is also mawsuf. Al-ghurfati is mawsuf and al-kabirati is its sifa or naat. And can you see because ghurfati is in jar status because of fi, so its sifa is also in jar, right? In jar status. And because ghurfati, it has ta marbuta and it is feminine, that's why kabirati is also, its sifa is also taking ta marbuta, feminine. Mirwahatu is a feminine word with ta marbuta, that's why its sifa is also coming as feminine ta marbuta. Got it? At-tabibu is masculine. So it's sifa jadidu, al-jadidu is also masculine. But al-mirwahatu is feminine with ta marbuta. So its sifa is also coming as feminine with ta marbuta. Got it? You don't need to if an ism has ta marbuta and it's feminine, you don't need to have a ta a sifa with ta, but the sifa should be feminine. Should only be feminine, okay? Because we need to match all four properties. Okay, now the next sentence. Al-lughatul arabiyatu sahlatun.
Um, uh, um, I know the second one.
Arabiyatu,
Yeah.
al-lughatu, the language, Arabic language. Al-lughatul arabiyatu. Sahlat, you don't get this, the meaning of sahlatun? Sahlatun means easy.
The Arabic language is easy.
Yeah, Arabic language is easy. Now the second step, identify the fragment.
Um, العربية سهلة.
Al-lughatul arabiyatu is what? Al-lughatu, the language, Arabia. So these are mawsuf sifa because they are matching in all four properties. Feminine with ta, and both are status, both marfu and single. Okay. So this is mawsuf sifa, and sahlatun is one word, and it is just like information, khabar. So al-lughatul arabiyya is the subject of the sentence, and sahlatun is khabar. Over here at-tabibul jadidu is the one fragment, and it is mubtada. It is mubtada, and this is about mubtada. This is the khabar or information about mubtada, right? So in every sentence, you in the beginning, most of the time, like in most sentences, in the beginning you have mubtada and then you have khabar. But there are exceptional cases. Some exceptional cases, khabar can be like a sentence can start with khabar. Okay. So now the next one. Al-waladu tawilu. Al-waladu tawilu. The al-waladu, the boy, at-tawilu, tall.
The tall boy.
Yeah, the tall boy. Allazi.
The one.
The one who.
The one who exited the class.
Yeah, kharaja min al-fasli, exited the class. Al-ana, now.
Now.
Talibun, a student.
A student.
Minal.
Minal.
Kuwait.
From
Kuwait.
Kuwait.
Yeah. Kuwait is a country, right?
Yeah.
So al-waladu tawilu is mawsuf sifa, right? Allazi is what? Connectorism. What do we call? Allazi, allazina, allati, allai, allati. These are connector ism. Okay, so they are connecting the subject to a detail. And detail, what is the detail? The khabar, the information about that tall boy, that he is the one who is coming out of the
class.
Yeah, so this is This is the portion related to allazi. And this portion is called sila. This is connectorism. Allazi is connectorism. Okay? Connectorism. And this portion, kharaja min al fasl al ana, is sila. Sila. This is called sila. Can you say it? Connectorism is called ism mausul. Okay? Connectorism is also in Arabic, we call it ism mausul. Can you say it? Ism mausul. So allazi, allazina, allati, allati, these are ism mausul. And whenever you see an ism mausul, then the ism mausul will be followed by a short, a long or a small sentence, and that sentence is called sila. Okay, sila. Okay, so allazi kharaja min al fasli al ana means the one who came out of the class. A student min al Kuwaiti. So this this thing is kind of separate. Talibun minal Kuwaiti. So this is information about that boy. The tall boy who is coming out of the class now, it is a student from Kuwait. So is would come over here. Okay, because here sila is ending, this fragment is ending, and talibun is separate word. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes.
So usually when we translate, we put is in bit where two fragments are connecting with each other or are separated from each other. Al waladu tawilu lazi kharaja min al fasl al ana talibun min al Kuwaiti. So now can you translate it in your own words?
The tall boy who just exited the class.
Yeah, exited the class is this line is a student.
The one who is a student from Kuwait.
Yes, is a student from Kuwait. Excellent. Okay. Now, Anna. Ana fil madrasati sanawiyati. Fil madrasati sanawiyati. So Ana means I
I'm in school.
Yes, I am in school. Very good. Fil madrasati is jar majroor. And what about al madrasati asanawiyati? Can you see a fragment? Both have al, both ending in tamarbut. Yes, because it's a like both ending in al, both have tamarbuta, both have kasra, so and singular. So these are mausuf sifa. Madrasati school, sanawiyati means secondary school. Secondary school. Sanawiyati, secondary school. Okay, so it's not a primary school, it's a secondary school. So I am
in a school.
in a secondary school.
In school.
In a
In a
secondary school.
secondary school.
Yeah, I'm in a secondary school. Or I study in a secondary school. Study is hidden, like understood. It's already understood. So I'm in a secondary school or I study in a secondary school. Now the next one. Let me, should I clear it or we can do the next sentence? Can you see it clearly? Can you see this next sentence clearly? Okay. So
Yes.
Zahaba, he went. And this is fail. He went. Yeah, he went, and ar-rajulu is the one who went. Okay. So Zahaba rajulul faqiru. So ar-rajulu, the man, al-faqiru, poor, the poor. Okay. Ilal wazir.
The poor man
Ilal waziri,
went to
the minister. So Zahaba is fail and ar-rajulul faqiru. Do you see a fragment here?
waziri.
Ilal waziri is what?
Is that a fragment?
Yes, it's ila bata kaflamo min fi an ala hatta ila. So ila, yeah, jar majur. Ila is harf jar, and al waziri has kasra, so it's majur. Ila al waziri jar majur. What about ar rajulul faqiru?
Mawsuf sifa.
Yes, mawsuf sifa. Ar-rajulu, the man, al-faqiru, the poor. So ar-rajulul faqiru, the poor man, went to the minister. Okay. Acha, next.
جلس الطالب الجديد خلف حامد.
Hamidin. Very good. Excellent. So jalasa sat. Who sat? At-talibu, the student.
The new
Al-jadidu,
boy.
the new student. Sat. Khalfa means behind.
The new student sat behind Hamid.
Behind Hamid. Very good. So let's point out some fragment that we see. Jalasa is fail. So we are doing ism fragment. Okay. So what about at-talibul jadidu?
Mawsuf sifa.
Yes, mawsuf sifa. And what about khalfa hamidun? Hamidin. Khalfa hamidin.
Behind. Behind. Is a pointer?
No, it's not. Haza, hazi, zalika. No. Khalfa is a special mudaf.
So mudaf.
Yes, mudaf ilayh. Khalfa is a special mudaf. Hamidin is mudaf ilayh. So jalasa talibul jadidu khalfa hamidin. So the new student sat behind Hamid. Okay. Let me clear all these writings and scroll the page down. So, okay. As-Sikinul Kabiru. As-Sikinul Kabiru. As-Sikin is knife. Kabir means big. Haddun, sharp. Jiddan, very much. Very. So, can you translate it?
A big knife.
The big knife. The big knife is very, Jiddan means very, sharp.
Is very
Sharp.
sharp.
Yeah, sharp. So, As-Sikinul Kabiru.
That'd be Mawsuf Sifa.
Yes, very good. Mawsuf Sifa. And then Haddun is one word. Information about the knife. So Haddun, one word information, one word khabar. And Jiddan is about Haddun. Very, very sharp. So Jiddan is not Sifa. Can it be Sifa of Haddun?
Yeah.
How?
Well, actually no.
Why? If it's a Sifa, then why? If it's not a Sifa, then why?
Because because it's not like specific to like
It's
like,
not specific with
describing.
al, but like Rajulun Fakirun can also be Mawsuf Sifa. If you don't have al in both of these words, like Rajulun, a man, Fakirun, a poor man, like, so both can be common and Mawsuf Sifa. Over here we have Haddun and Jiddan.
Well, Haddun can be Sifa.
Mawsuf.
Because it's like describe.
Haddun, can it be Mawsuf? For Mawsuf Sifa, what is the basic rule? They need to match in.
They need to have this match in the 4 properties.
Yeah, S, N, G, T. So what is the status of Haddun? Un.
Rafa.
Rafa. And what's the status of Jiddan?
Rafa.
An, Jiddan, two fatah.
It's Nasb.
Nasb. Yes. So one is Rafa and the other one is Nasb. So they cannot be Mawsuf Sifa. There is another relationship that this is Maf'ul Mutlaq for Haddun, but that's like different topic. But the only thing here relevant here is that they are not Mawsuf Sifa. Okay. So As-Sikinul Kabiru Haddun Jiddan. The big knife is very sharp. Okay. The big knife is very sharp. Okay. Now let's complete this exercise. Oh, up till here. Because next exercise is a bit longer. Do you have time to complete that? Because, yeah, this one. Okay, let's complete this one. Man hazal waladul qasir. Waladul qasiru. Man.
Man. Who?
Yes, who is haza? Haza means this.
This?
Al waladul qasiru.
Who's this? What is Qasiru?
Small boy. Who
I
is
thought
this?
I thought small was Sagiru.
Oh, sagiru is a small. Qasir is short. Tall, opposite of tall. So short boy. Qasir is
who is the short boy?
So answer is huwa.
He is the son.
Son Ibnul Mudarrisi. So Mudarrisi is mudafil. Ibnul Mudarrisi, Mudarrisi mudafil, and Mudarrisi is also Mudarrisul Jadidi.
The new teacher?
The new teacher. He is new, the new teacher's son. The new teacher's son. Okay. So man hazal waladul qasiru. Here is Masuf Sifa, Waladul Qasiru. And Hazal Waladu is which fragment?
The pointer.
Pointer fragment. Okay. What about Ibnul Mudarrisi?
The Mudaf.
Mudafil. And Al Mudarrisul Jadidi. Al Mudarrisul Jadidi. Masuf Sifa. Excellent. Okay. So I'm ending the class over here. So inshallah we'll do the next exercise in next class. And just remember, you need to do the homework of page 65. Okay. 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 See you inshallah next week. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.